This is an attendance sheet which I have created in advance. Before creating the new format, let's see how it works. On the top, we have got month and year, and both the things will be managed through drop-downs. Even the years will be managed through drop-downs. Just under month and year, we have got option of week offs. Here we can select 2 week offs. Currently I have selected Sunday. In case I want to select some other day, we can. So I have selected Saturday and Sunday, and both the days got highlighted. In case I want to keep 2nd and 4th Saturday as week off and all the Sundays, I'll just click over here and will select none. Now all the Sundays are highlighted along with 2nd and 4th Saturday. The other thing which will be highlighted will be our holidays. When the month will change, holidays will change automatically. Currently it's January, I'll do it February. All the highlights as well as our holidays got changed. Even our 2nd Saturday and 4th Saturday got changed. I'll change the month, we'll do as January. All the things which are highlighted are restricted. Means we can't do entry over there. There's no highlight on 2nd of Jan. I'll do my entry over here, P, and I'm able to do the entry. But if I'll try to enter something in my holidays, P, I got an alert. Can't do entry, week off, holiday, or employee is not active. I'll cancel this. Over here we have got option of active or not active. If the employee will be not active, just select not active and the whole row will be highlighted. From here we can't select employee is active or not active. For that we have setting sheet. In setting sheet we have got employee details and status. If I'll select first employee as not active and will go to January sheet, it got highlighted on top. I'll go to my setting sheet once again. Over here in status we have got a filter. I'll click on the filter and will select ascending order. Sort, I'll sort this. And the employee who is not active is getting featured in end of the sheet. If I'll come to January, earlier it was on top, now it's in bottom. For 12 months we have got 12 sheets and in the end we have got annual sheet. Just to mention one thing, just by changing month and year from the drop down, the data is not going to change because we haven't used macros over here. Let's start creating a new format now. I have opened a new sheet. I'll rename the sheet as setting sheet. We'll select the whole sheet and we'll take all the things in mid. We'll take column number A closer. We'll click on B2. This will be dates and this will be holidays. We'll select the whole row and we'll take all the things in center. We'll change the font style. I'll take my holidays list from my example file. We'll paste over here, paste special, values. We'll adjust the column size. We'll click on top. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to date and we'll select a desired date format. OK. We'll align all the things in left. We'll select the heads and we'll take this in center. Now we will select both and we'll create borders. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. Now we will take our employee list from our example file. We'll paste over here, Ctrl V or Command V. We'll take this closer. We'll adjust the column size. We'll reduce the font size. We'll drag this. This will be active or not active, or let's rename this as status. Enter. We'll select from top to bottom. We'll go to data, data validation. From here we will select list, source. We will type active, comma, not active. And we will do OK. We'll go to home and we'll create borders. We'll select the whole column. We'll go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here we will type active. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill. From here we will select green color and font will be white. And we'll do OK. OK. We'll go to conditional formatting once again, highlight cell rule, equal to, and this time we will type not active. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill. We will select red color for not active and font will be white. OK. OK. So our drop down list got created as well as got highlighted. We will select active for all the employees. We'll copy this, Ctrl C or Command C, and we'll paste over here. This will be months and this will be year. Enter. We'll take this closer. Over here we will type name of the month from January to December. We'll drag this till December. We'll delete this. Year 2024. Enter. We'll take this in center. We'll drag this down. Fill series. Now we will select both and we'll create borders. We'll go to view and we'll remove the grid lines. So our setting sheet is ready now. We will insert another sheet. This will be January. For 12 months we will have to create 12 sheets. But once the format of January will be ready, we will just do copy and paste. We'll select the whole sheet. We'll go to home and we'll take all the things in mid. We'll take column number A closer. We'll click on B6. This will be serial number. Employee code. Employee name. We'll adjust the column size. Designation. Department. Enter. And this will be active. Enter. Not active. Enter. We'll select both the rows and we'll take all the things in center. We'll change the font style. We'll click on serial number. We'll select next cell and we'll merge this. We'll do the same thing for all the heads. Active, we will highlight this in green. We'll change the font color. Not active will be red. We'll change the font color. Now we will select all and we'll create borders. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. Serial number. I'll insert serial numbers manually. We'll drag this down. Fill series. We'll keep this till 25. We'll create borders. We'll go on top. Now we'll click on B2 and we'll select till D. We'll merge this together. We'll create borders and we'll drag this down. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. We'll select the whole row and we'll change the font style. This will be month and year. Enter. And this will be week offs. Enter. Now we will select B and C and we'll merge this together. We'll select the next cell also and we'll put some color. We'll change the font color. We'll leave it selected. We'll go to data, data validation. From here we will select list. Source. Over here we will type name of weekdays from Monday to Sunday. And we will do OK. We'll go to home and we'll create borders. So our drop downs got created. We'll do one thing. We'll select both once again. We'll go to data, data validation. And just before Monday we will put none, comma. OK. Now we will set none in both the places. We'll select both the cells. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here we will type none. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill. From here we will select blue color and font will also be blue. And we'll do OK. OK. So whenever it will be none, nothing will be visible. But whenever we will select any day, it will be highlighted in red. We'll make row number 4 bigger. We'll select the whole row and we'll change the font style. We'll increase the font size. We'll take all the things in center. We'll take row number 5 closer. Now we will click on E and we'll select till G. We'll merge this together. We'll drag this down. We'll put some color over here. We'll create borders. We'll change the font color. Over here we will create drop down for our months. We'll go to data, data validation. From here we will select list. Source. We will go to our setting sheet. We'll take this in left. We'll click on first month and we'll select till end. And we'll do OK. So the drop down for months got created. We will select January. Now we'll click just under January. We'll go to data validation. From here we will select list. Source. We'll go to setting sheet and we'll select all the years from top to bottom. And we'll do OK. So the drop down for years got created. We'll select 2024. We'll select this. We'll go to home and we'll merge this together. We'll change the color. This will be holidays. Enter. We'll create borders for this. Now we will click just after active or not active and we'll insert the formula for dates. The formula for first date will be totally different from rest of the dates and the formula will be plus or equal to date value, bracket open, double inverted comma 1, double inverted comma close, and we will click on month and we will click on year. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We got some random figure. We'll click on this and we'll select next cell also. We'll press Ctrl 1. Format cells dialog box will open or window will open. We'll go to date and we'll select a desired date format and we'll do OK. So we got 1st of Jan. We'll click just under 1st of Jan and we'll insert the formula for day and the formula will be plus or equal to text bracket open. We'll click on first date comma double inverted comma DDD means D 3 times, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. We got Monday. Now we will click just after first date and we'll insert the formula for second date. The formula for second date and rest of the dates will be same, and our formula will be plus or equal to if bracket open. We'll click on first date. We'll press F4 or function F4 2 times, and the dollar will be inserted between the cell number. Is smaller than EO month means end of the month, bracket open. We'll click on first date once again. We'll press function F4 or F4 and the cell will be locked, comma 0, bracket close, comma. We'll click on first date once again, plus 1, comma, double inverted comma 2 times, bracket close, and we will hit enter. So we got 2nd Jan. We'll drag this. Now we will select both and we'll change the color. We'll create borders. We'll click on second date and we'll select day also, and we'll drag this till 31st of January. We'll come to left. We'll select all the dates and we'll adjust the column size. We'll come to left. Employee code plus or equal to. We'll go to our setting sheet and we'll click on first employee code. Enter. Now we will drag this down. We'll go on top. We'll click on serial number and we'll select till last serial number. We'll press shift control right arrow key and we'll create borders. Employee name. We will adjust the column size. For employee name, designation, department, and active or not active, we will use VLOOKUP, and our formula will be plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open. Employee code will be our lookup value. We will press function F4 3 times, and dollar got inserted just before C8, comma, table array. We will go to our setting sheet and we'll select all the employee details from top. We will select from employee code till status. We'll press function F4 or F4 and the whole range will be logged, comma, column index number or column number. We want employee name, so employee code is in first column and employee name is in second column, so we will put 2 over here, comma 0. For exact match, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We got name of first employee. Before dragging this down, we will go to formula bar and we'll insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, we'll go to end, comma, double inverted comma 2 times for blank. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this till department, or we will drag this till active or not active. In all the places we can see name of the employee. So we will go to formula bar and we'll change the column index number. This will be 3, this will be 4, and this will be 5. Now here the question comes, how we got 3, 4 and 5? We will go to setting sheet. We had selected the range of VLOOKUP from employee code. So employee code is 1, name is 2, designation is 3, department is 4, and status is 5. So in this way we got 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we will select all and we'll drag this down. Perfect. We'll go on top. We'll click on column number G. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here we will type not active. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. From here we will select red color, font will be white, and we'll do OK. OK. So whenever it will be not active, it will be highlighted automatically. We will do one thing. We'll make row number 5 bigger. We'll increase one more row over here, insert. We'll remove the color, means no fill. Now we will take row number 5 closer. We'll click just above serial number and we'll select till end. We'll insert some color over here. We'll make it dark. Okay. Now we will select till active or not active and we'll merge this together. This will be 2nd and 4th Saturday. Enter. We'll select the whole row and we'll change the font color. We'll change the font style. We'll increase size of this. Perfect. We'll take this little bit more closer. Now we will click just after January. We'll select next cell also and we'll select till end. We'll merge this together. We'll put some color over here. This will be employee attendance sheet. Enter. We'll align the text in left and we'll change the font color. We'll make it bigger. Perfect. Over here we will insert our holidays. So we'll select till end and we'll change the color. We'll increase the size of row. We'll click over here and we'll insert the formula for holidays, and the formula will be plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open. We'll click on our date, comma, table array. We will go to our setting sheet and we select all the holidays from top. We'll press function F4 or F4 and the cell will be logged, comma. We want name of holidays. So dates are in column number 1 and holidays name are in column number 2. So we will put 2 over here, comma 0 for exact match. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We got new year. We'll reduce the font size. We'll come in the center. Over here we get the option of orientation. We'll click on the drop down and we'll select rotate text up. The orientation got changed. We'll reduce font size a little bit more. Before dragging this, we will go to formula bar and we'll insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, we'll come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, greater than, and we will insert double inverted comma over here for blank. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill, and from here we will select yellow color. Font will be black and we will do OK. OK. So new year got highlighted. Now we can drag this till end. So Republic Day also got highlighted. We'll come to left and we'll create outside border over here. Now we will insert the formula for 2nd and 4th Saturday. We'll click on top of first date and our formula will be plus or equal to _count_if, bracket open. We'll click on first day. We'll press function F4 and the cell will be logged. Is to, we'll click on first day once again. We'll press F4 or function F4 2 times, comma, double inverted comma Saturday, SAT, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. We got 0 over here. We'll take this in center. Now we will go to formula bar and we'll insert the criteria of if. If, bracket open, day is not equal to, for not equal to we will insert smaller than greater than, not equal to Saturday. So we will insert double inverted comma SAT, double inverted comma close, comma, if it will not be Saturday, we want blank. So we will insert double inverted comma twice once again, comma. We'll come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So nothing is visible over here. We will drag this till end. We'll come to left. So we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 over here. Now we will press Ctrl 1. We'll go to custom. We'll remove general and we'll type #space double inverted comma Saturday, SAT, double inverted comma close, and we will do OK. So now we can see 1st Saturday, 2nd Saturday, 3rd Saturday and 4th Saturday. We will leave it selected. We'll go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here we will type 1. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill. From here we will select this color and font will be same. We'll do OK. OK. So 1 got vanished. Now we will do the same thing for 3. We'll go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, we will type 3 over here. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill. We'll select this color and font will be of same color. And we'll do OK. OK. So now we can see only 2nd Saturday and 4th Saturday. We'll click over here. We'll select till end. We'll create outside border. We'll go to view and we'll remove the grid lines. Now we will click just under first day and we'll select till last day. We'll select till bottom. We'll come to left and we'll go on top. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, new rule. From here we will select classic. In case you are using Windows, you will not be getting the option of classic. You will be diverted to next step, and that is use a formula to determine which cells to format. And our formula will be plus or equal to, we'll take this down, we'll click on first holiday, we'll remove first dollar is greater than blank. For blank we will insert double inverted comma twice. We'll take this on top, we'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. From here we will select a desired color, and font will be white. We'll do OK. OK. So our holidays got highlighted. 1st of Jan is holiday, it got highlighted in blue. When we come to right hand side, 26th of Jan also got highlighted in blue. Now we will highlight our Saturdays and Sundays. And our Saturdays and Sundays means week offs will be highlighted from here. So we'll go to conditional formatting, new rule, we'll select classic, and from here we will select use a formula to determine which cells to format. And our formula will be plus or equal to, we'll click on first day, we'll remove the first dollar, is equal to, we will click on Saturday. Now we will click on the drop down, customize format, fill, from here we will select red color and font will be white. We'll do OK. OK. So our Saturdays got highlighted. We'll go to conditional formatting once again. New rule, we'll select classic and from here we will select use a formula to determine which cells to format. And the formula will be plus or equal to, we will click first day, we'll remove the first dollar, is equal to, we'll click on Sunday. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill, and from here we will select red color, font will be white, and we'll do OK. OK. So our Saturdays and Sundays got highlighted. We'll leave it selected. We'll insert 2 more criterias, one for month end and one for 2nd and 4th week off. So we'll go to conditional formatting, new rule, we'll select classic, and from here we will select use a formula to determine which cells to format. And the formula will be plus or equal to, we will click the first date, we'll remove the first dollar, is equal to blank. For blank we will insert double inverted comma twice. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill, and we will select red color. We'll do OK. OK. One more highlight is pending, so we will go to conditional formatting, new rule, we'll select classic, and from here we will select use a formula to determine which cells to format. And the formula will be plus or equal to, we'll take this down, we'll click on top of 1st Jan where our 2nd and 4th Saturday will be visible. We'll remove the first dollar, we'll take this in bracket, is equal to 2. 2 is for 2nd Saturday. Bracket close, we'll copy our formula, Ctrl+C or Command+C, plus we'll paste the formula what we have copied right now, Ctrl+V. We'll remove 2 from here and we'll put 4. We'll take this on top, we'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill, and from here we will select a desired color. We'll click over here, more colors, and we'll select lighter shade, and we'll do OK. 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 So all the things got highlighted. Let's check. 2nd Saturday got highlighted. 4th Saturday also got highlighted. So here all the Saturdays and Sundays are highlighted. But we want to highlight just 4th Saturday and 2nd Saturday. So we'll come to left. We'll click over here and we'll do this Sunday. And this will be none. Now Sundays are highlighted along with 2nd Saturday and 4th Saturday. Perfect. We will come to left. Now we will restrict our holidays, week offs, 2nd and 4th Saturday. So we'll click just under first day. We'll go to data, data validation. From here we will select custom, formula. Our formula will be plus or equal to, we will take this to left. We will click on first day. We'll insert dollar between H and 8 is not equal to, we'll take this to right and we'll click over here. We'll press function F4 or F4 and the cell will be logged. We'll take this in bracket. So this is our first validation. We will add all the validations over here. So I'll do into or star, bracket open. We'll take this to left. We'll click on first day once again. We'll press function F4 2 times, is not equal to. For not equal to, I'm inserting greater than, smaller than. We'll click over here. We'll press function F4 or F4. We'll close the bracket. Into. Now we will insert third validation. Bracket open. We'll take this down. We'll click on date. We'll press function F4 2 times, is not equal to blank. Through this validation, month end will be restricted. Bracket close. Into. We will click on first holiday. We'll take this in bracket. We'll press function F4 2 times, is equal to blank. Double inverted comma close. Bracket close. into bracket open. Now we will restrict our second Saturday and fourth Saturday. So we'll click over here. We'll press function F4 2 times is equal to blank. We will insert double inverted comma twice. Bracket close into bracket open. Now we will restrict those employees who will not be active. We'll take this to right. We'll click just in front of first employee, not equal to double inverted comma not active. Double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will do OK. But before doing OK, we will go to error alert. We'll take this on top. Title, can't do entry. Error message, week off, comma, second or fourth Saturday, comma, holiday or month end. And we will do OK. Now we will drag this down and we'll drag this till end. Perfect. So all the things got highlighted as well as restricted. If we will do some entry over here, can't do entry, week offs, second or fourth Saturday, holiday or month end. Cancel. We will do some entry over here. Got restricted. Over here also it's the same thing. It got restricted. Perfect. We will go to our setting sheet. We'll click on status. We'll press shift control down arrow key. Now we will press shift control L and the filter button got created. We will click on any employee and we'll select as not active. Now we will go to January sheet. Here it's showing not active. We will select first row. We'll come to left. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, new rule. From here we will select classic. And from here we will select use a formula to determine which cells to format. And our formula will be plus or equal to. We'll click on active or not active. We'll delete dollar from center is equal to double inverted comma not active. Double inverted comma close. We'll click on the drop down customize format, fill, and from here we will select red color. Font will be white. And we'll do OK. OK. Now we will come to right hand side and we'll drag this down till last employee. Perfect. So whenever it will be not active, it will be highlighted in red. Now we will go to setting sheet, status, we'll click on the drop down and we'll select ascending. Expand the selection, we will click on sort. And the employee who is not active, move to end. We'll come to January sheet. Over here also it moved to end. We will go on top, we'll come to right hand side. We'll leave column number AM blank. We'll click on AN. This will be total present, total absent, total PL, total SL, total CL, total week offs, total holidays. Enter. We'll adjust the column size. We'll select all and we'll create borders. We'll adjust column size over here. Total present code will be P. For absent A. PL it will be PL. Total SL it will be SL. Total CL, CL. Week offs it will be WO. And for holidays it will be H. Perfect. We'll do one thing. We'll cut this. Control X or Command X. And we'll paste over here. We'll create borders. We will put some color over here. For present it will be green. Absent red. And we'll put some desired colors. Now we will select this and we'll select the last employee. And we'll create borders. We'll come on top. Total present formula will be plus or equal to 𝐶𝐿, bracket open. We will come to left and we'll select from first date till last date. We'll press F4 or function F4 3 times, comma, we'll click on code of present. We'll press function F4 or F4 2 times, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll take this in center. We'll press Ctrl 1, we'll go to custom, we'll remove general and we'll type has semicolon has semicolon minus and we'll do OK. So 0 got vanished, instead we can see minus or dash. We will drag this down and we'll drag till total CL. We'll come to right. Now we will insert formula for week offs and the formula will be plus or equal to 𝐶𝐿, bracket open. We'll come to left. We'll select days from first till last, we'll press function F4 or F4, comma, we'll come to left and we'll click on Sunday. We'll press function F4 or F4, we'll take this in bracket, we'll copy this, Control C or Command C, plus we'll paste the formula what we have copied right now. We'll delete B4 from here, we'll come to left and we'll click on next cell, from where our second week off will be managed. We'll press F4 or function F4 and the cell will be logged. We'll come to the end, plus 2. We will close the bracket till it doesn't get black and we'll hit enter. And we got 6 as count. We'll take this in center. We'll drag this down. Now one thing to mention over here. Currently it's showing 6 because we have selected Sundays and second Saturday along with fourth Saturday as off. In case all your Saturdays are off and you are going to select Saturday from here, when we come to right, it's showing 10. In that case, you will have to remove 2 from the end. And if you have got only 4th Saturday and 2nd Saturday as week off, select Sunday over here and over here select none. We'll come to right, we'll select both the cells and we'll select till end. We'll merge this together, we'll put some color over here. This will be monthly summary. We'll increase the font size, we'll change the font color. We'll create borders. Now we will select till AR and we'll merge this together. We'll put some color. This will be for yearly summary, click here. Enter. We'll change the font color. We'll increase the size. We'll select this and we'll merge this together. We'll put some color. Now we will click on total present. We'll select the cell just above and we'll merge this together. We'll do this for all the heads. We'll select all and we'll create borders. We'll create border over here also. Total holidays, the formula will be plus or equal to count if, bracket open, we'll come to left and we'll select all the holidays till end. We'll press F4 or function F4, comma, double inverted comma, question mark, star, question mark, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll take this in center. We'll drag this down. So week offs and holidays will be counted automatically. So format for 1 month is ready now, but we will have to do some conditional formatting for present, absent and all leaves. We'll type some codes over here. Now we will select the whole sheet. We'll go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule equal to, and over here we will type P. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill. From here we will select green color and font will be white. OK. So code of present, that is P, got highlighted. In the same way we will highlight all our codes. So all the codes got highlighted and you can do the entry manually over here. In case you want to create the drop down, you can. Now I'll delete this. Now we will create 12 sheet for 12 months. I'll click on the month of January. We'll press Alt and we'll drag this and we'll drop on plus. Copy will be created. I'll create 13 copies, 12 for 12 months and 1 for annual. We'll come in the beginning. This is January, this will be February, this will be March, and in the same way I'll rename till December. Perfect. We'll come to the month of February. We'll click on the drop down and we'll change the month. We'll do the same thing for all the months. So all the months got renamed. Now we will come to annual. We'll delete all the dates. We'll remove all the formulas. We'll go on top. We'll delete this. We'll delete all the heads. We'll merge this together. This will be employee data. Enter. We'll increase the size. This is not required, so we'll delete this. We'll unmerge this and we'll merge this together. We'll select all and we'll create borders. Now we will insert our formula. We'll click over here, plus or equal to sum, bracket open. We'll go to January. We'll come to extreme right hand side and we'll click on present of first employee. Now we will press shift and we'll click on month of December. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Our formula got inserted. We'll drag this down and we'll drag this till end. So all the formulas got inserted. Just one thing is pending. I'll go to the month of January. We'll click over here. We'll go to insert, shapes, and we'll select a square or rectangle. I'll change the color. We'll do it red. We'll type annual report. We'll go to home. We'll take all the things in center and in mid. We'll change the font style. We'll make it bold. Now we will right click on the shape and we'll save it as picture. We'll rename this as AR, annual report. We'll save this. Now we will delete this. We'll click inside our cell. We'll go to insert, pictures, place in cell, picture from file. And this is the picture what we saved right now. We'll click on insert. Picture got inserted. Now we will right click on the picture, hyperlink. Over here we get three options: web page or file, this document, email address. We will click on this document. We'll come over here and we'll go to annual and we'll do OK. So our link got inserted. We will copy this, Ctrl+C or Command+C. We'll click on February. We'll come to right hand side. We'll press Shift and we'll click on December. We'll click over here and we'll paste Ctrl+V or Command+V. So all the months got connected now. I'll come to March. We'll come in extreme right hand side and we'll click on annual report. And we got diverted to annual report sheet. So this format is ready now. I'll provide link of this file in description box. In case you want to download, you can. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.